Hey freebies, if you're brand new to the chords G, C, E minor, and D, and you want a practice buddy for running through those chord changes nice and slow, that's what this video is for. I'm here for you. So we're going to go through 2 chord progressions at a super slow pace. Feel free to use the YouTube playback feature to dial in the speed that's perfect for you. Our first chord progression is going to be C, D, G, and E minor. We're going to play them with 8 counts on each of those chords. Here we go. Starting with C. Remember your anchor finger. There we go. C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here comes D. D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here comes G. G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here's E minor. E minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here comes C. C. Get D ready here to D. D. And find your G, and here is G. Go ahead and find your E minor. Here's E minor. So you'll notice that I'm having you end your chords a little early. That's on purpose. Here's your C. Because it's always better to come in on time on a chord, even if you have to end the other chord a little early. Here's our D. So if you need to end your chord early to come in on time, here comes G. Feel free to end that chord early, come in on time. If that was too easy for you, shorten that gap. Here's E minor. Play that previous chord longer and make the gap smaller, but just make sure you come in on time on your chords. Here comes C, C. Here comes D. Here's D, D. Here comes G. So some of you might need to drop a full measure to find your chord. Find your E minor now. Some of you might only need to drop 2 strums to find your chord. Here comes C. And some of you are getting real close and you just need to end 1 strum early, and that's great. All of you, if you keep practicing your 5 minutes a day, you'll get to the place where you don't have to drop any strums. Here's our G. Once you get to that place where you don't drop any strums, start working on your speed and speed everything up just a little bit. Here's your E minor. And then we're going to end on our C. 1, 2, 3. Here's C. C. Good job, guys. All right, we've got one more chord progression I want us to practice through. This one is G, D, E minor, C. Again, we're going to do 8 counts on each one of those chords over and over again. Here we go. Starting with our G, remember that 3rd finger on G is your lead finger. G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 to D, D. Here's your E minor, E minor. And then here's C, C. 3, 4, 1, 2. Here comes G, G, 2, 3, 4. You might want to stop now to find your D, because here comes D, D, 2, 3, 4. You can find your E minor now if you need to. Here's E minor. If you need to find C now, go for it. Here comes C, C. And here comes G. 2, 3, 4. to an eighth note pattern. I'm just going to do more down strums. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. So if you feel like you're getting pretty confident with your chord changes, feel free to try out this eighth note down strum pattern. Kind of makes it a little more interesting. But if you're still pretty new to those chord changes, just stick with the slower quarter notes. Once you get comfortable, you can bump it up. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If that video was pretty easy for you, then go check out my 10 pop chord progressions video. It'll be a little bit faster tempo with more variations on those chords. And I bet you'll recognize some of those chord progressions from your favorite songs. If this practice video is helpful for you and you want to learn more about how to use these chords even in other keys, please hit subscribe and catch me in the next lesson. I'll see you there.